Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do exercise 5.4, but before doing exercise 5.4 I will tell you the main theorem used in this exercise. We will use the factor theorem here, but we will use the factor theorem on cubic polynomials. What is the cubic polynomials? When we have the highest degree of the variable equals to 3. When we have the degree of the polynomial equals to 3, that polynomial is called the cubic polynomial. Now we are going to solve cubic polynomials. We are going to factorize them by using a factor theorem. As you know that what is the factor theorem, the remainder should be equals to 0. So we will see the values of the variable, that from which values the polynomials remainder are equals to 0. So let's start the solution. I'm going to factorize these polynomials by using factor theorem. Now I'm going to solve question number 1 for you. Question number 1 is x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. As you can see that the last term is 2, so we will take the multiples of the common terms. To suppose the factors, we will see the constant term, then we will take the factors of the constant term. So the constant term is 2, so the multiples of 2 is plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. We will take the values of x, these. Like we will take x is equals to plus 1, then we will take x is equals to minus 1, then we will take x is equals to plus 2, and then we will take x equals to minus 2. So these are the terms we will suppose and see from which value the remainder is 0. First we will let it equals to p of x. At the first I am taking x equals to plus 1. I am checking it for plus 1. So p of 1 is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus into 1 plus 2. So 1 cube is 1 minus 2, 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 plus 1 and minus 1, so the remainder is 0. So x is equals to plus 1 is the factor. So we will say that x minus 1 equals to 0, or if we don't want to write the 0, x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. So that's how we will check that which term is the factor of p of x and which term is not the factor of p of x. Now I'm going to check it for x is equals to minus 1. Now I will take x is equals to minus 1. So it will be p of minus 1, minus 1 cube minus 2, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 square is plus 1, minus minus plus, minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 and plus 1, minus 2 and plus 2. So the remainder is 0. So x is equals to minus 1, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 1, so x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. So x plus 1 is the, x is equals to plus 1 is the factor of p of x. X minus 1 is the factor of p of x. Now we will check it for x is equals to 2. Now I will take x is equals to 2. We will check p of 2. 2 whole cube minus 2, 2 square minus 2 plus 2. 2 cube will be 8 minus 2, 2 square will be 4 minus 2 and plus 2. 8 minus 2, 4 times 8 minus 2 plus 2. so this will be cancelled out and it is equals to 0. So we will say that x here was plus 2, so we will say that x minus 2 is the factor of p of x. These questions are very easy. You just have to know that how can we suppose the value of x. We will just see the constant and we will use the multiples of the constant, like 1 and 2 are the multiples of 2, so we are using plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So x is equals to is also the constant. Now I will check it for x is equals to minus 2. P of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 plus 2. It will be minus 8 because minus when there is a cube in the power and there is a negative in the bracket, the negative will be remain negative because minus is plus and plus minus is minus again. So that's why the negative, when there is a cube of negative, the answer will be negative. So it will be minus 8 minus 2 whole square will be plus 4 minus plus 2 plus 2 minus 8 plus minus minus 2 4 times 8 plus 2 and plus 2. So this will be not equals to 0, I guess. Minus 8 and 2 it will be minus 6 and minus 8 and 2 it will be minus 6, so it will be minus 12. So x plus 2 is not the factor of p of x. So what are the factors of p of x? What are the factors of these? X minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of p of x. So this is the complete solution for question number 1. Similarly, you will solve it for question number 2 and onward. The whole exercise will be solved in the with the same method as I have told you about it. Now I am going to solve question number 7 with the same method as I have told you in question number 1. So the question is 3x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 4. So now we will suppose our x value there is 4, so the multiple of 4 is 1, 2 and 4 by itself. So we will use plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4. We will check these numbers, and here we have the value of x cube, the coefficient value is 3. So I will also use the value of x plus minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3, why? Because we have here coefficient with x cube there is a coefficient 3, so that's why I am using plus minus 1 by 3 also. So these are the value I will check for the factors. These value I will check. Now first I will let it equals to p of x. Okay, you can also check these x values in the rough side, then the terms which are the factors of this polynomial, then you can write you can just solve for the factors, skip the numbers which are not the factors of this polynomial. So I'm checking it for x is equals to 2. It will be p of 2, 3, 2 whole cube minus 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 4. Now let's start solve it. It will be 8 minus 4, 24 plus 4. 24 minus 4 minus 24 and plus 4. So the terms will be cancelled out and there is 0. So we will say x minus 2 is the factor of p of x. check it for x is equals to minus 2. P of minus 2, 3 minus 2 whole cube minus 2 whole square, 12 minus 2 and plus 4. 3 into minus 8 plus 4, 2 plus 4 minus 24 minus 4 minus 24 and plus 4. So the terms are cancelled out in x, so we will say x plus 2 is the factor of p of x. Now we will check it for x is equals to 1 by 3. X is equals to plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 3 into plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 whole square whole cube minus 12, 1 by 3 plus 4. 3 into 1 by 27 minus 1 by 9, 4 times 12 minus 4 plus 4. This will be cancelled out. 3 divided by 27 minus 1 divided by 9. This will be 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So this will be cancelled out and the remainder is 0. So we will say that x is equals to 1 by 3 is the factor of p of x. How we will write it now? We will multiply 3 with x. It will be 3x is equals to 1. And then we will take this 1 to the other side of the equation. It will be 3x minus 1 is equals to 0.